Sometimes you may want to speed up or slow down a clip for effect. And we've already got started by adding a clip to our timeline. And just to give you a preview, we're just pouring some water here. And we have the sound of that water being poured as well as the video. So if we want to change the speed of this, we're going to select our clip. We're going to right click. And there's our speed and duration. So to increase the speed, I increase it above 100. And to slow it, I would go below. So let's speed this up 2 times the speed. Now we have some options here that are really important to look at. First of all, we'll talk about reverse speed later. Maintain audio pitch. What that means is if you don't change that, you're either going to get a really high, fast, think chipmunk voice audio, or really low and slow, kind of think robot voice. But if you check that, it kind of edits that audio pitch along with the video. And I always have ripple edit the shifting and trailing clips. That means if you have clips around it, those will move based on your new speed. So we'll hit OK. And you can see that changed the duration of it. And our pour is a lot faster. But our sound sounds pretty good. Let's undo that. And this time we'll slow it down. So we're going to go 50%. And we're going to maintain audio pitch and ripple edit. Hit OK. And you can see that slowed the clip way down. And it slowed the audio down. And we'll undo that one last time. Now, occasionally, you might want the effect of reversing the speed. So in that case, again, go to speed duration, and we're going to leave all of this the same. We're just going to reverse it. And so we'll start here, and you can see now it looks like we're starting with a full glass of water. And it's magically disappearing. So that's kind of a fun, cool effect. So hopefully that will help you with anything you might want to do with speed or duration. Be very selective with how you use this. This is kind of a special effect.